Hello guys, welcome back. This is CAD Hacks, your home of CAD Hacks. Welcome. Let's go straight to the job where we are. Today we are going to look at how you can import files from Excel to AutoCAD. That is, you have survey data and you want to put them into your AutoCAD to generate a georeference data, a georeference map. You want to plot a map, that is your reference. Now you are in the right place. We're going to get with a simple hack. You will love it. I'll be introducing this software, hacking software. It's not as a life hack, CAD hack software that we found out that it's make works easier for these kind of works. Now, if you have your survey data, now you want to, your survey has given you this, you want to translate it into a piece of paper. You want to have your layout drawn so that you can do your urban planning. You want to do infrastructure planning on it. Then also you also have your data. You want to do an alignment of a road, pipeline. This is it. It will save your time. It will make to have something presentable at within a short period of time. Now I have a sample data which I have already set it in I've already set it, and now we'll go straight into the software how it is. We have this software is called SW_DTM. It is a software digital terrain modeling software, a complete package for digital terrain modeling and contouring. It is a powerful, accurate, and user friendly. It has a It enables you to do the plotting survey points and you generate contours at any specified intervals. It can also draw profiles and cross sections for any alignment at any user-defined scale. Now, this software is supported by it needs Windows operating system, and also you must have the CAD, the AutoCAD or CO3D, and Excel. So it goes hand in together. It generates, it will enable you to generate the profile, the cross sections, and it also supports writing the contours, the generation of grids, which are your reference. So with that, well, let's go straight to the data that we have. I'll minimize that and take you to the data that we have. Already I have the data and plotted it. Now this software requires that you must have your data in this format. It must be serialized, then the northing, easting, elevation, and then remarks. Whatever you do, you put under the remarks is what you can use as a layer. You can create a layer like this data. The layer we are going to create is called pipeline. So in our AutoCAD, we'll have a layer called pipeline with these points. And these are only 27 points. So the next thing we'll do is I'll highlight all of the points and minimize that data, come straight to the software and launch it. Launching the software. Remember, we are launching it because already AutoCAD is there, so it's going to be running overlaid on the AutoCAD point. Yes, this is it. Now, if you look at the software after launching it, you have your points generated. You have your points, menu, draw menu, triangle, contour, alignment, sections, utilities, and help. Now, in working with this software, you work from left to right, meaning you have to do your points first. Either you are adding them, you are importing them from Excel, you are importing points from file, interpolating between points. After you are done that, until you reach processing a point. So maybe in this case we are going to do Excel, import from Excel. After that, we'll come and process point. Then we'll come into draw, where we draw our grid if you want to, or we can add a boundary. The good thing with adding a boundary is that it scales down the level of triangulation or contours that are needed in the code, so it saves time. It doesn't overload on your RAM. So let's go straight to triangulation. After doing drawing, then you can triangulate the points. After triangulating is when you can do contours. You can use a quick contour or you do round contour. After that, you can draw alignment. When you draw alignment, then after that you can do your contours. You can do sections by contour, section by detail. Then you can draw your limit zone profile for sections. Then we have the utilities that you can convert 3D to polyline. You can switch AutoCAD document. So basically, let's go to our points. We want to add points, but that is not right. Don't want to add point. This one, if you do it, it's like we're adding 1 point by one. But we are going for the option of importing points from Excel. So let's come. We'll use the point level scale and leave it at 0.85. But okay. Then I'll mark on the remark as layer name. So the AutoCAD is going to generate a layer called pipes. If you remember our file, we have option of pipeline. So our layer is going to be generated for pipeline. Then do not write remarks. This one I want to check it because I want the remarks to be written in each point that we are going to generate. Then let's import the points. Remember, we have already highlighted the points, so that's why we just come straight here and we leave it for the software to do it. It's doing it in the background. Basically, it is executing AutoCAD commands, but in the background. So the software gives you an interface that is quite easy to manipulate, to use. It has done. So I've zoomed in, zoom extent. So remember, last video I showed you that you can use AutoCAD. After doing that, you can just use the typing command. So instead of looking at the red icon, I'll just type zoom. Then give me the zoom in or zoom factor. If you want to zoom that, enter. We have zoom extend. Just type extend. Zoom extend. Zoom. There we have it. It wants us to define the boundary that we want. So this is our data. Here they are. Now we have our data. The next thing, if we check on the menu, after doing either going for any of this option, there is option of add points, import point. We have gone for this. There's another one, this one, another one. There are many. But now after doing that, you have to complete that. You process the points. So again, execute AutoCAD commands to the background. So it's telling us to please wait. We are waiting to have it processed. Once it's done, it will show. A pop-up menu will appear telling us that processing points is complete. Let's wait it to complete. Just in a few years. Now, let's when you're processing, you select all points and features for the processing. All points and features. It is extracting the points. 27 points. Remember, we had 27 points, so that one is also a confirmation that we are on right here. After doing that, we come to draw. So what I want to do, we want to add a boundary. So that when it's generating like contours, it doesn't work on along. So we are drawing a boundary. So this is the boundary that we want it to use. Okay. Correct. Okay, our boundary is set. Now we triangulate. It's going to be the surveying triangulation. Then after that, let's draw our quick contours. So that is it. Let's draw contours. Very fast is done. So if you want contour annotation, you can just check, come on there and then say contour annotation, and it will ask you the text height. Sorry. Then if you want to add, you do like that, then add, then it appears. So you can do this for all your contours, but for now, that is just enough. Then if you want to add like that for presentation, you do that one to be labeled so that someone can at least interpolate where you are not indicated. Now, after doing that, we come to alignment. We draw alignment. Remember, this one was a data for pipeline, so we want to draw the pipeline. Now, this point is the good thing. They are easily identifiable by AutoCAD. You just select it, you see a box appearing. So we can easily use it to draw alignment. Remember, we are picking commands from the software and and executing in AutoCAD. So it has to be, the sequence has to be right. The sequence has to be maintained so that you have it rightly done. So we are doing our profile alignment. Sorry, we're doing our alignment. Yes. Number 12. Remember how many points are there? There were 27. There's number 13 here. We come to number 14, number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so this is our last point. Enter is done. Now we have our alignment done. So we've done that. We've drawn the alignment using that command. Then we can now do our section. We want to do a section. So go for section by DTM, by digital terrain modeling. Select that option. Wait for the command to come. It will ask us which alignment we want to use. Yes. So chaining. So even this one will indicate the chaining that you want. We just want to do a longitudinal profile. So longitudinal profile, but we'll select on this option so that we can write the chain edges, and we can specify the chain and the interval where we want it to be. Then select the layout. Select the alignment. So now here we need to select that file. So before you select that, we go to that direction, your data had to be saved in CVS format. So we want to go back to that. Let's just go for a profile. It's the same, which we have not done so many. We have to go back and do it before we proceed. So let's come to that. And, okay, for now, let's I'll generate that other video and show you. Now let's leave it at this point where we have now imported the points we were trying to manipulate. In the next video, you'll see how now with this file we're going to do a section by DTM, and then we draw the longitudinal profile and the sections. But for this data, because it's limited, it's just a longitudinal data. We'll view a longitudinal profile only. Thank you. See you next in our next video.